Hello, what's up you guys, this is sajidz with you here in this video again. Here in this video guys, I'm going to talking with you about how you can unblock those number which block you in the WhatsApp. Sometimes our close friend just block us in their WhatsApp and it's really problem for us guys, because we need to importantly contact with them but they are really blocked us here in the WhatsApp. But here in this video guys, I'm going to talking with you about how you can unblock yourself by your own self in the other's WhatsApp number. So here the video is really important for you guys, and for that I request you please watch this video till to the end to understand the whole process there. So here guys, before that, here I request you please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get all the notification in the future. And if you do so still now, so thanks a lot. This video really dedicated for you. Here I need to install 3 apps there to start my this process there. Here is the first is the WhatsApp business here, and the second in the second line is a text. It's a free text calling app there, and here it is the open in WhatsApp, these 3 apps. And here it is, I'll start my this processes there. And here first of all I need to go to the second line there in this app, and here after just installing this app you need to open this app, and here you need to create an account there. And if you guys still now already create an account there, that time you needed to do this. Here I have already make an account there, so I just make my this ID there, and after that just click on the login, and here it just say me that save the password there here in my this, and here it is. Here is the interface setup, second line to send and receive calls. Now click on the setup there in this option, and from here click on this allow to allow all the things there. And here after that you need to get a phone number in your area code there, and after that you need to click on this use my location from there, or if you don't want then you can also take it there. And now click on the continue, and here you need to click here, type the 737, and here it is the US area code. Now click on the continue there to continue all the processes are there. And here it is, there have several numbers they just fixed for you guys, and here you can use those number for free. And from here suppose that I want to use this number, and now I just select it. Now click on the continue to continue this process there in my mobile phone. And here it is, the process are on there, and here it is now really okay to share it there. And now I just go to here in the WhatsApp, and I guys show you that how it works. Now first of all I go to the WhatsApp in the others mobile from here. Now go to the WhatsApp from here, and here it is, this is my number, and I just send here a message from in my number there, and here it is, this is the number is on, and here it is. She just sent me a message there. I just see you the demo thing there, and here it is, it's okay, and it's really chatting there is on. Now if I just go to there to block her, that time just go there and block this message chats there from here. And now it's block my number, and here I just block here this number there. And after several times I don't see this profile picture whenever it's just confirmedly block me there. And here it is, whenever now I just typing in here anything to send her there, that time it will not send there. Here it is, it doesn't send here, that means it's really blocked here, my number is there. And here now the tricks will be started to work there. Now here go to there, and I need to uninstall this WhatsApp, or you can work here by installing this too, but I refer you to uninstall this thing in the real WhatsApp of yours from there, so that it will work perfectly there. And here it is, which number I make there in the second line free calling service there in this app. I need to open this app there, and here it is, I need to go to the back there, and I need to go to this WhatsApp Business, this here, and here you need to install this. You will available it in the Google Play Store, and here the second line, this app also available in the Google Play Store. I'll give you the link in the description below. And from here I need to sign up there, agree and continue there, and here it is. You need to click on the continue, allow it from there, and here you need to add the number is there. For that you need to go here and give a country code of there. I just give the country code as a 1, that means it's the United States, and here I need to give the phone number. From I collect my phone number, here it is the second line. This is the app from where I will collect my this mobile number is there. Now click on the copy to clipboard there, and here it will copy your this number in the clipboard from here. So here it is, you need to click on the next to start there, and here you will get a verification code or you will get a call, and here you will get a verification code in this number, and here this number you need to be on in the backend there. And if you guys don't open this in the backend or start it in the backend, that time you will not get the number here. And here it is, this is the number, the code is the 375277. I just type this 375277 to verify there, and here you need to open this WhatsApp as it is, as you open the previous WhatsApp as you wish, as it is there. And here it is, you need to click on the check a category there from here, and it's now really ready to use. And here it is, this WhatsApp is also like the previous WhatsApp too, and here from you can also make calls and other things from there. And now go to the back, and here from you need to go to the open in WhatsApp, and here the number of this WhatsApp I need to call there, and here the number is there, and from here I need to call this there. Go to there and type the phone number in which number you want to call, and the number who block you there in their WhatsApp is there. And now click on the open chat. Now it's just open in the WhatsApp there, and from here you can give him the hi, and you can now also from chat with her or him by this WhatsApp number too. And this is the real trick for you guys, to chat with her or unblock yourself from the blocked WhatsApp number. And without this, I have nothing any way for you guys to unblock your number in the WhatsApp. So here it is guys, that's it from me. I hope it's really solved your problem to unblock yourself from the WhatsApp. If you guys think that this video helped a lot to unlock your WhatsApp from the others number who block you really in their WhatsApp, and you're just really unblock yourself by this trick, that I request you please give a thumbs up this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel again. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. See you soon again.